Hi, I'm Sierra Godoy. I'm a lead over the cutting department here at Prince Service and Manufacturing. My journey here at Prince Precision started about 2 years ago as an entry-level position and am now a lead over the cutting department. I manage about 6 people here at Prince Service and Manufacturing. The main parts of my job are to make sure we have material in stock, that we go by our routings, and that we also move product throughout the building. My supervising style as a whole is making sure that my employees feel comfortable coming to speak to me. Once a week we get together and we talk about any concerns that we might have within the department. When I started here at Prince, I knew nothing about sheet metal, and coming in, they have taught me so much and I have grown so much. I have learned to operate a CNC. I also have learned how to operate new software. You know, when you get a job somewhere else, it's really, really hard to move up. And, you know, Prince really, they can acknowledge if you work hard, you'll get that in return. Before I actually got the job here at Prince, I've done everything from retail to warehouse, land grading and seating, and I never felt fulfilled with those occupations. Coming here to Prince, I feel like I've grown and actually built a career that I can stand by, not only for me, but for my family.